Me moche.
Me Josu kwasi.
Bibi aboko de.
Odi achayen.
Everyone in the dream there. O chika cha baby ana. When your friends say Oshin.
Baby we French. Unimu.
O say French. Hey. If you French my money buy.
So we sure send you some pesa me kata me ni kakra na. They say mask no you say mfa nkati anim. Ah. We na no so beti mambo no ade akata. Ah,
umbeze obehu ni pa bio.
Hey. They say I see you no see me.
Oza. Hey asamo. Weda na ye say wo da ye de.
Oh, odumfo na adawroma. They say who say eniema sesa.
Pa.
Eniema sesa we mo adu say from.
Oh, adan.
Na say na hyehyehye no. Ewie mo adwo kama. Eno agiaje fo die na nka.
Ade osho ba.
No ni ade anka be ye ujambo na mgidi say empanimfo no.
Yeah.
Omo betie. Omo betie no ma sesa omo adwo ebi say senka bibia si ya. Senka bibia si ya dia. Enka school bia won hyehyeye omo de adwuma ba we no. From Mampeninka say more then we are not in another times.
Yeah, sure. We are not in normal times.
You need normal times.
Yeah, sure.
Student bako girl, young girl be ni video be separate. A student from GIG. Yeah, all kasa say baby me free a me ba. Munim kwanya me fa so. Yeah, me tua me fi and it's true.
It's true.
School sir.
It's true.
Omo a ye adwuma eko school. Omo a ebia o free SS awo ba no. Akwala ni ka 2500 no tua no.
Yeah.
Wotimi say o kwan of tua na nya sem ketwa. Eti so obi betua ni fees. Wo de asemu nim se bia mo a mo meet deadline ye ma mo register no. Mo nte na mo pon ba bi.
Exactly.
But so many penny tua wie na ka che ne say.
Na your first semester. Differ.
Wo a wa tua
wie.
Yeah, when meeting deadline
differ. Honestly, I vehemently disagree with this decision by GIG. I'm surprised. I'm surprised, Professor Edu, Rector. I'm surprised to say you take such decision at this COVID era.
When you are down on this, Professor
Edu, yes. At this COVID era.
I thought the same say. Pennyphone be a casa from every say, yeah, but about 2020, but before 2020 election, promises, sir. Amanyofo bofendi sini MPP for no ma ye nyina no wo mo kan ye
no mo absorb fees in Pama ye
professional students no mo ba ya yese ya bo mo enti die si ya ye bu ye ni egu ni nyina ye be ka say mo kwakoti fifire abetue sika no so no mo amfa amantem enti mo nko this is unfair.
Everywhere this decision there, honestly, it will not stand. GIG, with all due respect, forget it. Because you see, you are dealing with human lives. Now, besides, say, what will your management at Wahono? And you will bar, or because you defend another year. I mean, sometimes some of the decision, we take it on humanitarian grounds. You are dealing with a student. This COVID era, obi parent, Najumegu. Najumegu, you understand? And to see Kakro di Shefie, only be not the Biabetia fees.
Obi so onum class or no one echi as a secra, ye in a dear Fred. You
no frayer or say our cantamanto. I will not teach la sulala, not yet tia fees. Say COVID era, Sika wa yanko for the codum, Aqua Cotonia Mama Kwana and Yesta. He does not do this.
Sankashi see a dianka. This
COVID era.
Kwasi uko school kesi school pon bia mu a my internal arrangements babia from Legon to babia
among reverse decision no na name this one there among reverse decision because it will not stand. Why Sebi Nyansenim? I mean, we are back in the Amopa. Sebi, I'm a product of GIG. You can't do this to students in this COVID era. A bankrupt businesses. Yeah, more stimulus package. Say, I'm fan show. My said about they will show up. What are you talking about? You sit there as management in the name of Yenia managing school, Tino. It just said, Beguengu and Faho. Look at the number of students. Who told you, say, defer and no crowd, your mom, or would defer on the park when yes, Canabitia. Level 400, Obiako school, do level 400 or Baby was a defer and a costati. We don't do respect, Yansa Benewum. Edward, if I person and I same way there. I've finished about the country.
I am for Kuni and Shasia, there be answer near Beko Kuni, young Quadi Ghanaian Times and some. Nana Ghanaian Times and Nimuno, I've some that has saying. bosumi ntem kwasi bosumi ntem nipa nan ene yakum won ewo
yasemo
bosumi
baako nipa nan
baako nipa nan ene yakum won ewo
but ebi why won say bibi koso o man mu say ewuo nipa kum abayefo
de kwasi da bia meka
abayefo
na nipa ntia ase say
what is happening in this country
no yes me ne wo twempna me suspect say wo free machi ntimakun this is say asem na free man no ba na hwe ye top form and once am betwa mo achia
da bi say ensem ni bi wo ha wo de man top form
that's one she lady no wo lady ni face
me hu lady
so ba na oba ni
oba so no say ebusu bra Facebook na be hwe asem aye ka ho asemi
kwasi wo nkwachi no wo suspect
say ebia awana sending a message intino o suspect so ni awana metwempna
so mu message eti wo kun no
ebusu bra Facebook say join your Facebook na hwe de kwaso
girl no maame say nyankopon ma na koma wo betumi di asosa yi awu nyankopon ma na koma wo betumi di asosa yi
obatan
ena ne etusum yenu ye kwasi ne eno so ba ya se be ma ba ko no so youth employment ye wo no mo a no so eda no a won so kun ne girl sabi eno won so kun ne girl eno Caesar kuma de ende na oba na nya sen emfie duonu 20 years kodan keten
look at that
ana ne etusum ye nsa so yes papa bi ene ne ye ana na omo so akwada ketua be 3 wadi akwada wadi na nsa ho na omo ko ntokwa sa kinye ena so oba ni shun be ma no sese on so bo form one so bi
look at that
nya to so me nsa eno no eti mpanifo agwo fra mantem say sane eniema no esi koso no eburu so ba ko ni otwato Moses Gamo de ye so omukọ hunting onene na mfufuo bi etu omuti pay ye omukọ ye no na etu no omuso omde kwa ahayo no na odi ahye ne yam sei so onu a na shutu no ze na fu na koto so onso awu eti police force aye kon aye no chese ya doso ti wobeyen hwehwemu fa ne akunkum ye ekoso ewoho no se wo beti wo ho agum na wahyeda aye hwehwemu wo mu dendenden the Ghanaian Times ewo mu bi sada so na wunsa budget akwomasikai no empanifo de kom na hyebedwam no ebeto odwa so judiciary no na legislature no omo ti omo budget no omo akwomasikai no mo ti so
nze na speaker ni abrepa
asa na kan say na munim sasa ye beti ye sika so a ye won hihye ye wosa mu de fam muntimi sori preko pem fa metu ye nim say ye atimu sika no so eti mpanimfo nko so ontimra na se a wo monko na omonko kan ni yie enei fro efri mampanina ene mpanimfo de aba ne say ye say wo mafom wo mo so maje atum so mafom
ye pass on mampani aje atum
sa ebeka judiciary no ni omo egwom na hyebedwam sika ani ene wo say
afom kwan
June 127 ene 179 ye constitution num na wo famra kwan so aye nhese ye wo say wo ye na emom so obi betena ba bi na so de ya say o yate makwa masika so the same Anthony Atom see o mafum na no mo ka ase Ministry of Finance ni Parliament ni Judiciary no o mate o mo ho ase nti na o mo so dikira
o mo yes ano
eti we da kura wo se maka
o mafum kwa ya
tani voice o mo se sa o maji atum
everyone quickly ma me fa we infam ni entoa so GIG asem na ne ka no Jacob say ye boa so onim no Joy the message bi aba ye read it. I say the authorities of GIG have ambushed the student and it is a bad decision and bad faith. I am sad about the quality of decision. Those I look after are not affected, but all of them disagree with management. This is bad in COVID-19 era. Are they willing to pay for their expenses? The decision is late and bad and consequential effect very costly economically to national development.
Yes, no progress student.
No, everywhere this particular issue may say penifon sorry for manuntum. Mr. President, I mean, this it will not hold.
Letter no,
it can't hold. I mean, look, they shouldn't dare. What kind letter? Look, letter no. What watch that dear crano? Everywhere may say letter no may be kind. omo chere enkola na de ne kra no omo letter omo de buy ABY mistake wom o dem be kan na ma hu say
na ye ma omo kwan ye di kan na ye ma omo kwan ye to
so everything is in it's in a rush.
Womo omo kwan ba ku mienu miensa no enka kase mo omo ntumi enchie sika no ema deadline so ye bia no ato se mu ntua ye no munni fe ba so ka se wo a wachie sika no na wo tua ye before the e wo ji sika ne ye den wonim se o ma me ma wo je ye den
me say yanim guasie the odia me kan letter ne the first paragraph ABY I say enye in preparation towards the reopening of schools, management circulated the calendar for the academic year, which detailed registration timeline for students. The initial deadline for registration for continuing students as captured in the academic calendar was 26 December. Management decided to extend the registration deadline to 8 January 2021 after tertiary students received the green light from the presidency to open. I say, in our quest to ensure that as many students as possible register for the 2021 academic year, management decided to again extend the deadline for registration to 3rd February 2021 as act of magnanimity. Magnanimity. In fact,
okay, what happens to say humobron this time? Samosia humobro question na mudi hu nkwa. They say ase wo bi na di ni tumi ye ne o pese ye me okora ha mahu mo
beginning statement no cry wrong be right here way further to management's directive to students who fail to register for the semester to defer their programs till management wishes provide further clarification as follows. Management wishes provide say near constructed English GIG management wishes provide more chance and for you rush and put that statement out. No, but I understand the mission. But you see, you should be careful when you are putting statement out. Statement and this how the Baman for punching was. As a more rush, you are changing. I was here. What is that? Let's stop this, please. GIG, stop it. Stop it. It's a shame. Stop it.
Kwasi yanko daily guide so so. Abushia ye toa so GIG asem no de ye nwie ye kwasi be toa so. Na daily guide anim no Dr. Muhammadu Baumia, Mampani abedi achen wodi atwedwa se posters bi nenam ye amanfo de and na mfie nwotwe no ye betwam na chese Baumia beto aso so o se wosremo wonye poster wonye poster na won ka asesa abiri so aye womu no wo bepre abehwa Mampani akonwa abesi wonomo wo se sa abiri nie wo pese wo ye eni se wo bo Mampani na nado ema na dwuma abo ye no koso
ya me baye
eti no mu amu ye posters no se maboka mu mfanche mu ntwem na sa de wonye ana aloteje koso se tinton time kwasi
ya yinati waden you say there bye you
ana atubiga de ne suspension
oh no go face this very committee no
open aloteje koso NDC for wadwuna mo ho awanti ase afise ono be 2 weeks ago and waka ase wayi ne ho afiri party no enti sa letter no omo kyerɛ ye den wose amanyoko na te sabu ne woda bonsam jamu wo mu a lions den there be also the devils den lion kra de na se jata
ya samo
isi amanyoko wo mu a te sa ne woda bonsam jam eti so omo so omo yi na wo ka kyerɛ omo se wono no wo kwadio wo kɔ dadadada ansa na omo be keka sansem yi omo kana kyerɛ no eti unya daily guide a sansem ni su bi ewo mkwasi yemfa okunni enwie
yeah quickly yemfa no wie
yemfa okunni enwie na okunni kokɔbɔ a wode ba no na menti ase o kwasi ne empanimfo a kyerɛ nie ma yem passe 5% levy no to customers banks no
exactly
yem passe to customers no we say akomasika budget no ewom se banks no se say ene ye to na ba ye no mo so mo de wo hanche mu enum ye de mo mo naka ya mpanimfo bo ye de siesie banks no banks collapse ni nyina na yemfa nya ho adwuma na emom ne ye wode sa akokobo yi ba say ma yemfa sa atwo no ma customers
exactly
me customer de me kona se ye de atoso ase mini reka
why
na what so we say yem pass sa revenue to customers enu daily graphic ne ye watchero no ye what so hwe ye ho adwuma
right everyone me da se bebre here fancy ebusia for na poso